So for this problem, it reads, a family has two cars. The first car has a fuel efficiency of 35 miles per gallon of gas, and the second has a fuel efficiency of 30 miles per gallon of gas. During one particular week, the two cars went a combined total of 1,500 miles for a total gas consumption of 45. I see two totals, so I'm going to circle those. How many gallons were consumed by each of the two cars that week? So the question is asking how many gallons were consumed by each car by each car of the two cars that week. So I need to answer that question when I define my variables. It's going to look like X equals number of gallons consumed by car 1 and Y equals the number of gallons for car 2. Then I'm going to have my two equations set equal to my totals. During one particular week, the cars went a combined total of 1,500 miles. To find that, I have 35 miles per gallon of gas. So I take 35 times the number of gallons for the first car and add that to 30 miles times the number of gallons for the second car to get the combined total of miles driven that week. And then the total gas consumption of 45 gallons, I will just add the number of gallons consumed by car 1 plus the number of gallons consumed by car 2. From here, I'll just use elimination. I'm just going to work on canceling out the y's, so I'm going to multiply this second equation by a negative 30. I'm going to recopy the first equation, and then the second equation is going to look like negative 30x minus 30y equals negative 1,350. Then I'll add these both together. The y's will cancel. I'll have 5x is equal to 150. Divide by 5, divide by 5. To get x equals 30. So the first car consumed 30 gallons, and if I take 30 plus y equals 45, I'll have y equal to 15. Now we can check this with the first equation too by plugging in x and y into that. So 35 times 30 plus 30 times 15 equals 1,500. 35 times 30 equals 1,050, and 30 times 15 is 450. And when those are added together, I get 1,500 equals 1,500, and that checks.